Everybody, welcome back to Smokeware Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today we are using, once again, some leftover pulled pork from the video we did 2 days ago, but it'll be probably a week or two after you see it. So we have some nice and warm tortillas, which we're going to make some burritos with using the pulled pork. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Can't wait. So in college, I did work at a burger joint. I want to emphasize I worked at a burger joint, not a burrito joint. This is going to be a struggle to fold this burrito in the small size that it is.
Or you could just turn it into a taco.
I could do into a big taco, but we're going to put this on the barbecue. Anyway, we'll get to that. So we want to make it into a burrito. Okay, it's going to look really cool. So to do that, we're going to do a little bit of pork. We have some mildly warmed up pork, but I want to really get it warmed up in the barbecue. So why don't you go ahead and make yours, and I'll make mine, okay? Okay, show me how it's done. The trick with this is going to be to go light. Don't use a lot of ingredients, which is normally what I don't do. So that's going to be a struggle. Yeah. Well, we're both using that fork. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Okay, it's probably good. Maybe like a couple more pieces, not much. You don't want much because you're going to be putting a lot more stuff on. I just eat that, yeah. So what else do you want in your burrito? You want some cheese? You want some black beans? Would you like some rice? You're doing cheese and meat?
No.
No,
I'm just doing cheese first.
Okay. Yeah, looks pretty good. Ooh, so delicate. Nice. Is beignet gonna get one? No. Okay, so is that good? Is that all you're putting on? Hmm? All right. Is that all you're putting on?
No,
Right.
not
What else do you want? Yeah, put it right on top there. Perfect. Bowl of rice. Good. Okay.
maybe a little.
Oh, of course, a little more cheese. So we have salsa and sour cream, but I don't think you want the salsa. I would suggest putting some sour cream. Nice. Good. So now we're going to. So do you watch them at Chipotle when we could go to Chipotle? How they wrapped it up? You start off rolling it. Well, you kind of push it to the end like this. Mm-hmm. I think, and then roll it halfway, fold the ends in, and then continue rolling it. So get it good and tight. Okay. Want to try that, or do you want me to do it for you?
So just roll it.
Well, yeah. So you start rolling it about you're like this, and then start rolling it about half. Push it in halfway. Fold the ends in, up and over, and then continue rolling it so the ends are folded in. There you go. Good. And this is also why we put it in the microwave to get it nice and warm. It's a really good looking burrito, kiddo. Good job. Put my right there. That's probably going to be maybe a little bit more in there. Otherwise, it's going to be stuffed, overstuffed, and we don't want that. We want it to be overstuffed burrito. We want it to be good and the right size. That's probably that meat right there. It's probably pretty good. Want to eat that? Yeah. It's probably too much meat, but that's okay. Let's go for some rice.
What about some cheese?
I'll put that on too. Don't worry. Don't you worry. And I would like to put more beans on there, but it's just not enough. Not enough room. Okay. So here is some salsa from Patriots. They sent me the salsa, just free of charge, just for me to try out. I am a fan. I'm going to put this on too. And some sour cream, of course. And then before you eat it all, I'm going to do some more cheese. So there's cheese left over, but there's a reason for that. Okay. Okay. Trust me.
I just have to take it.
Right here. Right there. Eat all that. Go for it. Yeah, so we're gonna try the same method. Hopefully this works. Gonna pull it tight. Yep. Gonna fold that in and over and like that. And there we go. 2 good little sized burritos. I'm pretty impressed. We're gonna go at now and take these to the barbecue. Okay. Sound good?
Can I just eat it right now?
No. That's not what we're doing. We're gonna do something on a barbecue. This is like a barbecue channel. We can't do something not the barbecue. Actually, we have some stuff planned that isn't on the barbecue, huh? Like bananas and some other stuff.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go take this outside. Let's go. So here we have a big green egg heated up to probably about 350 degrees. That gets down there. There you go. That's just so the exactly so the flour tortillas don't stick to it. So we're gonna put yours down, kiddo. I'm putting mine down. There you go. Off to the side there, maybe a little bit. And last one, got mommy's going down too. But because I'm putting ours together, because we're gonna do something else, right? Looks like somebody ate all the cheese. Well, eat it on the burrito, eat it before. Guess it doesn't matter. So there we go. Let this cook for a little bit, not too long. Everything in here is already cooked. We're just kind of reheating it and getting that good grilled look that we wanted on the crust. Can't wait. I went and flipped this one halfway through and back over. Good crust on that. I should have done this with this guy first and put the cheese on afterwards, but we didn't. It will still taste really good. All right, everything's inside. Make sure you clean off your stainless steel. Close the vents down. All right. That was for mommy. Put that one to the side. That one's yours. Do you want to? Let's go and cut into it, okay? I'm gonna cut into mine at least, okay? Do that.
Go.
Looks good.
Yeah.
We have more salsa and sour cream if you want to do some too. I might do that on one of mine. Just gonna do that.
One of you. Oh. I was like, one of yours. Who did make
That's right. I can move this actually out of the way. There you go. Flavors really come together.
Maybe if I didn't use the ring.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. That's the only
Put this down over
thing
here.
Yeah.
It's a lot of sour cream, kid.
Look, I love sour cream.
I hear you. There you go. And smothered.
Oh, yeah, what you doing, buddy?
Well, you just eating up all our crumbs in the kitchen. Oh. It's pretty good.
What does that cream mean?
Everything combined. I call this a success. What do you think, kiddo? Couple thumbs up there. Okay.
The only thing I would change about what I put in my burrito was the rice, probably.
Well, put it down until they can see you. So what would you tell everybody watching, maybe yourself and like next month when you watch it, what should you do? What should we do better next time?
Maybe I shouldn't put rice in mine.
No rice? No. Well, that's it's your burrito. Do what you want. That tastes really good. Okay. Well, we'll end it here.
And more sour cream.
Or sour cream? You kidding me?
And more.
And more sour cream?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see any cheese in there, do you? Want to take a bite like that? Huh? More like a taco. Pretty good? Shoot. I don't have any napkins. So we'll I think we'll end it here. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Keep barbecuing America. Cheers.